Hi guys, how are you all? I hope everyone is well. Today I'm happy to share this video. This video is about my app. I create the app by using Streamlit and my skill prompt engineering. I use the AI to create this app. As usual, I face many errors and many troubles to create this app. This app do the prediction. You can predict the sale and classify the products easily. Without wasting time, let's start the video. This is today video. I hope you liked my video. So please like video and tell me in the comment section how I can improve my video. If you tell in the comment section, I would like to thank you very much. As usual, to use the AI to create this app, I face many error and troubles to create this app. First, I try to build the app, train the model within the app, and then prediction, but it doesn't work. So I separately train my model and then use in the app. I train my two models to use in the app. First model is for regression problem, and second model I train for classification problem. I use the PyCaret and random forest algorithm to train the model. I train random forest algorithm with hyperparameter tuning, so it take much more time and memory. So I will cannot push this model to the GitHub due to memory overflow if you need. So you can easily use the notebook and train the model on your PC. And I use PyCaret for regression problem and best model selection. It not take much more time. If I did hyperparameter tuning, then it will be take much more time. So you can easily use my code and do the analytics easily. This is repository where the code of this app is here. The folder name is app02, and you can see in the screen. As usual, you can copy and download all these files easily. This is model, okay, and this is a data set, okay. How you can find? Go to Google and search GitHub. Then GitHub website appear there. Then go to GitHub. On the search bar, search Muhammad Ahmed Bhutta. Then my profile appear there, okay. Then go to repository. On the top, the first repository where the code of this app is here, okay. Bye bye, we meet again.